Polyflex Turbo is a unique and special PU textile film available in 24 colours. Developed to improve performance, speed of production and to give the versatility of being able to apply to most fabrics. Easy to weed, even fine detail, soft touch and matte finish. TurboFlex benefits: quick time of application, only 3 seconds at 160 degrees, giving a great speed and increased production. Can also be applied at a low temperature of 130 degrees. This reduces scorching and press marks and allows you to heat press onto heat sensitive textiles like performance t-shirts. Application onto most textiles, including this 100% nylon jacket. Can also be applied to cotton, polycotton and polyester. Because of the low temperature and quick time of application, dye migration of polyester sublimated fabrics is reduced. Polyflex Turbo provides many opportunities and advantages.